I can scare people if they're riding in my car. There's still a little kid in here, a teenager, and he never owned anything that could just light the tires up whenever he felt like it. This does. I'm Larry Sovereign. This is a 1966 Chevy Impala. It's got tremendous horsepower and tremendous torque. It's got a 502 big block in it. It's all custom interior, custom trunk. The paint, it's called Quasar Blue. It's a 1992 Corvette color. I knew the guy that built it. I knew the guy that owned it. There was no doubt in my mind it was a perfect car.